So what you can see here on the corner of this part of the house, you can actually see there's a little triangle of wood, uppermost triangle there, which is sort of wedged in there. So you've got a plank that comes down from the top here, and you've got this like sort of rectangular bit, but then there's another little triangle of wood in there. That's fine. But when you look at this side, which is the higher one, because that's like low down just there, one up here where that wire is, for example, and you can see the wire sort of there. It looks like it was at one point tucked in under there. The bit of wood, I don't know if you can see, the triangle of wood is missing. So there's actually a hole there, which means insects and things and birds or whatever could potentially get in there. So that hole, which is just under that wire, a little triangle of wood is missing. So I'm going to have to sort of cut something and fit it in under there. But it looks like I was looking on the ground to see if it's fallen down the ground. It hasn't. Maybe it's fallen inside. I don't want to start taking it all off to get that, so I'm just going to try and fit something on there. Got a couple of edges here. A bit of an old bit of wood that was treated because it was part of a swing set when we moved in. And of course you get two for the price of one when you cut a little wedge like that. And I'll just see which is a better fit. Yeah, so I've managed to get a bit of a wedge in here now. And then what I'm going to do, so we've got a couple of bits of wood I've managed to fit in. What I'm going to do now is just use some wood hardener to sort of seal them in, and then could paint it the same colour as this, same paint, once that's hardened. So I've used a little bit of wood filler, and it just seals it all in, and that little wedge things I put in it, and then what I'll do is I'll just put a little bit of sand in, and I'll just paint it with the same paint that the rest of it's painted, and then I'll put the wire back. There we go. Painted it now, and sort of put the wire back over it, so we wouldn't really know that anything had happened up there. So it's completely sort of sealed up, blends in. You wouldn't know I had done any repair. The wire, I just sort of put extra couple of things to the wire to sort of feed through, which sort of feeds that light and detector and everything there. That's what the wires are for. So yeah. That's it. Job done. Yeah.